Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be doing a walk around and test drive on a beautiful 1967 Chevy Nova. This is a pretty special car. We'll get into it here in a few minutes, but a lot of originality with this as far as numbers matching, motor and transmission, original color, and very impressive the fact that it still has its original build sheet, or not a build sheet, original window sticker.
It's a gorgeous driver, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is.
And then they kept it in the original paint and interior scheme too. The first thing people are going to see is, wow, this looks kind of weird right here.
Yeah.
It's because it's got all airbag suspension all the way around. So that gets rid of those front shocks and shock towers there. So go ahead and shut it off. Runs like a top.
So not only is this, just a numbers matching engine, it's a numbers matching 283 L77 special performance pack. Also numbers matching 4-speed M21.
So from the factory, it would have come stock with the 2-barrel. And then they added this. I'm going to grab this paperwork. As long as we're doing it, we might also show it right now. And then they went ahead and added then. So the L77 special high performance pack was 137 bucks, right? Would have came standard with a 6-cylinder. So the 283 was already 198 bucks extra. Then 4-speed manuals, 178. Heavy duty radiator, rally wheels, red line tires, radio delete. That's exactly how it is today. And then the Tahoe Turquoise with black deluxe interior. So this car is exactly how it came from the factory, except for now it's got raised white letters versus the red line.
And an upgraded airbag, suspension, which makes it nice, raise and lower. Power brakes.
This is super solid in here too. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the floors, undercarriage, all of that stuff as well.
And these little 67 Novas have just, the last couple of years, just gotten so damn popular, just went through the roof, and they're pretty hard to find. We haven't had one in the last 2 years.
No, and then to have one in Tahoe Turquoise,
yeah,
I mean, it's fantastic. Being an older restoration, when I say older, probably 5 to 10 years old, probably something like that. It's got a few little paint imperfections, but it can still go to any of your classic car show and be super proud of it. Front bumper's nice shape all the way along there. If you look really close, it just got a little shine on. Yeah, the bumper looks excellent. Headlights, grille looks nice as well. It's got a little chip right here where the hood had come in contact at one point. Gap's a little close at the very front compared to the back. Hood fits down in there nice. Top of the fender fits good. It's got a couple little flaws like this, very small. One there and 2 here. One little one there. One there. Something just under the paint in those 3 little areas. But man, what a gorgeous car.
I love this color.
As we look up and down the sides, super straight, and in the shadows, it really almost looks black in the back. Tires are in excellent shape. There's a tiny little touch-up right here. Bottom of the fender, bottom of the door and quarter, all in great shape. Door fits nice back in there. Trim around the windows is nice, and so many times that gets pitted and dinged up, but this is in great shape. Wing windows good. You got a couple tiny little chips right here. Probably when they put that chrome on, they nicked it. And then you have just a hairline crack in the paint right there, very small. Other than that, that rear sail's nice. The back package tray is excellent, right back in here. Top of the back seat's nice. What do we got here? Beautiful paint in the jams. Yeah. I mean, they did not skimp on the paint in the trunk jam.
No, look how solid the trunk is too. The odometer shows 67,000, believed to be original miles. Especially when you have a numbers matching drivetrain and a body as solid as this.
Somebody's really gonna like this one. The trunk is awesome. It does come with a new headliner. Looks like it's got the rally wheel cap for the spare too. Yeah, beautiful. Trunk is beautiful. Back bumper's excellent. Tail light lenses and stuff are nice. Door jamb paint is excellent. Rust-free doors. Door panel is excellent. Seats look like they've been redone, but they're the correct material, matching front and back. I mean, there's just nothing half-ass on it.
No, there's really not.
Carpet's nice. It's got the Nova floor mats all the way around. Dash pad's excellent. Original steering wheel's nice. 67,206 miles. There's your Airlift bracket, and that comes right off there if you want. Factory 4-speed shifter.
And it looks to me like the applique on the dash is original as well, and really.
I wonder why they wanted a new headliner. The headliner in it looks awesome.
Yeah, it does.
Doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know why they bought a new one. Visors are nice. Definitely don't need it.
No.
It's got just a little tiny ding right here. I'll try to get the right angle so you can see it just a little bit, about the size of my finger. Again, as we look up and down the sides, it's a dark color, that Tahoe turquoise, and it is straight. A little creased scratch right here, just a tiny little chip, and it's got just, you can feel just a little bit of a indentation here. Bottom of the quarter and door, excellent. Same thing with the lower fender. So we open up the door. Even the bolts, you can see when they restored the car, they did a gorgeous job. Took all the bolts and strikers and all that stuff out of there.
It's impressively solid when you look at the corners of the doors on both sides and the rockers. A lot of these little Novas rusted out.
They sure did.
I didn't see any bubbles on it at all.
You don't see many of them anymore.
No.
Window felts are new, rubbers are new, roof rail rubber's nice. Got the factory gauges in it. There's your original VIN number. Corner of the door jambs are nice. They painted everything off of the car. So we got in here on the factory gauges. A lot of them weren't wired up right. Starts good. We have a fuel sending unit. The gauge works now, but we got the fuel sending unit coming. So we'll do that. Temp gauge works, oil pressure gauge works. So does the battery gauge.
Nice. And then here's your settings for the airbags. We had it all aligned, and we have a piece of paper that'll come with the car that tells you the where the airbags need to be set for that alignment.
Heater fan works. I don't know if the dome light does not. The dome light, we ordered these pieces here. So we ordered their switch and stuff there. The other thing that we just got in, I just stuffed it in here, but just get out of the way, I see in the seat, but we got in the brand new lock assembly.
Nice.
Okay, that's for the
glove box.
Glove box. So we'll put that in when we get that far. Just gotta be careful of this.
Yeah.
What do you want to do with that?
Just put it right here for now. I'll put it back in the packet later.
Wipers work and new blades on them. They park correctly. Just a nice, tight car, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's got a horn button on it. That works as well.
I drove it for the first time last week and just impressed. Liked the way it drove, shifted good.
Good. We did have the alignment, like I said, the alignment done, but with the airbags and stuff, it's just a little different than we're used to. A lot of them don't have that, obviously. Yeah, 283 and this thing runs great. Speedometer works as well. As far as our brakes, stop perfect. I think they're disc on the front.
Pretty sure they were.
Feel like it anyway.
And this stuff here too is just all original, really clean, especially for his age.
It is. Once we get that lock in there, guys, that'll be adjusted, so that'll line up great. Yeah, how many times are these just that original Argent's just gone and just crappy? You know, most of the time it's usually like turns gold, but it's in excellent shape, and so are the lenses, which really tells us that 67,000 miles is probably accurate.
Yeah.
Turning signal indicators work on the dash. It's got a little little ting right here.
That button's
A guy might want to put just a little gasket in behind there. As far as the shifter goes, shifts great. It's got really good oil pressure going down the road. Temperature gauge is working. It's still below half. Both turning signal indicators work on both sides. Brakes stop nice and straight. Like I said, you got a really nice full pedal.
Yeah. It's a sharp car. Something a guy can... That guy's not watching at all what he's doing, really.
What's that?
That guy wasn't watching at all what he was doing, but turned right into us. But no, just a really nice car a guy can take to a car show, be proud of, drive it, enjoy it.
It cleaned up beautiful. It really did.
Yeah.
You can change with that airbag. You can drop it on the ground at the car show.
Yeah, you can change your stance.
Speedometers. Seems like it's really accurate too, doll. There's 60 right there in third. Downshifted to 4. Yeah, 60 mile an hour right down the road. It's a windy day today too.
Good car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.